And since this one's set up, we don't have to do that warm-up cycle. We could just move it around manually.
Okay. So I'm gonna move it over here. And do this way.
On the Y.
Okay. Careful.
Yep. Yep. Okay. That's okay. We don't have to go any faster than that. That's fine. What is that RPM?
600.
600. Okay.
We can go up to 1,000 if you want.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Now the remaining CX.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna start the spindle. Now we're at 500, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500.
Okay. You can send it home if you want.
Can't send a part schedule too. It works, but
Yeah, I don't want to try and interfere with it.
And that one has total of 6,840.